Meaning of deadlock.
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 Deadlock. Deadlock refers to a situation in which two or more processes are unable to proceed because each is waiting for one of the others to do something. In other words, it's a state where multiple processes are stuck and can't move forward, often leading to a complete standstill. This arises primarily due to resource contention, where resources required by each process are held by another process in the queue. Deadlocks can cause severe performance degradation, data inconsistency, and system crashes. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure proper design and implementation to avoid such situations.